Something a little different this morning, huh? Yep. Just getting ready to go to work. Feed the cats, feed the dog. Get all my crap together. Put it in my bag and go to work.
I need coffee. Not drinking as much coffee at work. I think the reason for that is that they use, they have like powdered creamer. This stuff is gross. My bus is late. I wonder where he is. He must be stuck by ferry traffic. That happens.
So I'm on my way home to check on Corbin, take him out. Stage 4 of the Corbin experiment. I thought of an idea to drive up our views on YouTube. The light's red. We're gonna wait until the biggest vehicle comes up here on the left, like a truck or a bus, and I'm gonna pull out in front of it and get hit. Here we go. Oh, pulled out. Oh my God. Oh, that really hurt. Just kidding. I'm an idiot, huh? Yeah, I'm sure you guys want to see this again. Right? You whining? You want out? You want out? You want out? Huh? You're all excited. Hi. Hi. Here you go. You gonna go out and go potty? Yeah. So I missed you too. And he sees a squirrel. The damn squirrels out here like the same time every day. Alright. No. No. Come on. Corbin, don't force my hand. You're hurting yourself. Stop it. And I'm not going to follow you. Come on. I don't know why he goes to that door every time. Like, I want to go in the door, Daddy. So anyway, day number 500 is coming up. That's tomorrow. Taking the day off to go do something. So comment down below if you guys would like me to do something in Seattle, see something. I don't know what the weather's supposed to be like, but something epic. Day 500, 500 days in a row.
And then there's like all these pictures. Like, no shirt, no shoes, no pulse, no service.
So anyway guys, it's been a long day. We're gonna say our goodnights, and tomorrow's day 500 days, and oh my God, it's a lot of editing. Anyway, to all you people that are in Orlando, have fun. We wish we could have went. Yeah. So anyway, me and Tammy are just sitting here tonight. We're going to sit down and have some comfort food. Bridger! And watch some movies, because we're both not working tomorrow. You're probably like, okay, I have the day off tomorrow. Tammy, on the other hand, you'll have to watch tomorrow's vlog to find out more information. Anyway, we'll see you guys tomorrow. It's been one hell of a day. Hope you liked tonight. It's a little bit different, huh?
Well, it's been a long day at work, and I was plenty busy. And well, it's a new day tomorrow. Happy Friday, and then the weekend, and vlog number 500. So, see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.